Welcome to this short training video on accessing PACS in the Greater Manchester Care Record. In this video, we'll show you how to view imaging reports and linked images directly through the GMCR, helping you access the right information at the right time to support patient care. Let's get started. From the GMCR home screen, start by selecting the Results tile. This will open the patient's diagnostic results. Once you're in the Results tab, scroll down to the Radiology section. Here, you'll see any available radiology reports, along with links to view images in PACS if available. Select the View Radiology Images link to open the PACS viewer. This will display the full set of images associated with the radiology report. You can use the filter option to search for a specific radiology report by date or type. Alternatively, you can scroll down the list to browse all available reports. Click on a radiology report to open it. Scroll down to view the associated image preview. Click on the image to open it in full view. You can rotate the image, zoom in, and use other tools provided down the right-hand side of the panel. These tools help you examine images in more detail and adjust the view as needed. You can also view multiple images side by side for detailed analysis and comparison. This feature helps you better understand changes over time or differences between scans. Thank you for watching. If you need any support or have questions, please contact the GMCR Product Team. Don't forget to subscribe to receive regular updates about the GMCR.